everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am doing another collab with another beautiful YouTuber. I am doing a collab today with Beauty and More with Renee. I'm so excited. Today's collab is a little different. We each picked a palette that we love, and then we used a number generator to pick 5 numbers. And we would coordinate those numbers with the palette to see which colors we were putting on our face. When you're through watching my video, head on over to Beauty and More with Renee and check out the look that she is going to be creating using the palette that she wanted to use with the numbers that my number generator generated for her. I will also link her site down in the description box below so that you can just click it and get to her much easier. Right now, I'm just going to finish putting my base on so that we can jump right into the eyeshadow look. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have the base on. We are going to move on to the eyes, and this is the part that I'm most excited about because we are going to open this palette up and see what numbers were chosen for me, and then I'm going to see which colors correspond with those numbers. The palette I chose was the ColourPop So Jaded palette, and this is their collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I absolutely love this palette. And what we did was we numbered the different eyeshadows 1 through, there's 30 of them in here. And the numbers that were picked for me were 1, 6, 12, 20, and 21. So 1, 6, 12, and then 20 and 21. So these are going to be interesting. Now all of these kind of go together other than this mauve one over here. That one's kind of my out of place one. So let's see what we're going to do. I think what I'm going to start with is that beautiful like burnt orange color. I really like that color. So I'm going to go ahead and start that as like a transition shade. I do want some of those shimmer shades like in the inner corner. I like putting shimmer shades on my inner corner, especially brighter shimmer shades, because I feel like it opens my eyes more. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dip in that burnt orange color, which it is called Carmelian. We're going to go ahead and get that on the lid. Like I said, I'm just putting it on like halfway on my lid. I'm gonna bring it up towards that crease and just kind of blend it in that crease just a little bit. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is kind of bring it a little bit above where my crease is. I'm so excited to be doing another collab. I just am having so much fun. I just did a collab on Tuesday with another wonderful YouTuber. Her name is Flawed and Fabulous. And I'm so excited to be doing another one today with Renee because I think Renee has such a cute channel. I just think she has such a great little personality. And I'm really glad that she decided to do this with me. I'm going to say this again. I said it in the other video as well. I just love coming together with other YouTubers and just having a good time playing with makeup because I really think that this is what it should be. Just all of us having a fun time, creating fun little looks, playing fun little challenges like this with each other and having a good time and not worrying about all the other drama that you see and witness out there, because I just think it gets a little too out of hand. It's just so refreshing to be able to just kind of hang out with some people and not have that drama. I love helping out other YouTubers. I just think it's so much fun. I enjoy it. It makes me feel good. Okay, on to our next color. So the next shade we're going to do, we're going to darken up that the outer corner a little bit with this. It's this shade right here. And this one is called Stoned. So we're going to use that stoned color just in the outer edge here. And I just want to deepen that up a little bit more. I'm going to use the same brush I was just using. Oh, I should probably tell you the brushes. I keep forgetting to tell you what brushes I'm using. So this one's an Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush. I'm just going to kind of get in the crease a little bit with this too. I'm going to try to like blend these two colors together and see if I can just come up with a darker burnt orange color. I don't know if that makes sense, but we're gonna try it. Now what I'm gonna do is take that stone color on a tiny little smudger brush and bring it along my lower lash line, just in the outer corners, because what I think I want to do is take that mauve shade and do the rest of my lower lash line with that color. Now I'm going to take on the same little brush that mauve shade, and I'm going to put that along my lower lash line. I wanted to use that darker color on the outer corner just so everything flows nice. I am going to flick it up a little bit just to try to get it to blend in with everything so we don't have like two boom 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 shades. I mean, it doesn't look bad. That mauve color has a little bit of brown in it too, so it does kind of look like it's all blending in nicely. I'm going to kind of smoke that lower lash line out a little bit, just bringing it down a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade on the end here, right here, and that shade is called Moonstone. I'm going to put that on my eyelid coming into the inner corner. Then I'm going to take that little shading brush, actually it's this one, and I'm going to blend the edges in here a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. Well, I really like how this is looking. I would have never put any of the, well, I would have put probably 4 out of the 5 shades together, but not that mauve color. But I do actually think it looks kind of neat underneath my, along my lower lash line here. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with this color, and I'm only putting on the inner corners. And this shade is Diamonds. So this is only going on the inner corners. And actually, I think I'm gonna take my pinky and do that. I think I'm gonna stop right here and not mess with this anymore. I really like how it looks. I think it looks cute. We're going to go ahead and get liner on, and then I'm going to pick some fun lashes. Liner is on, and we're going to go ahead and put these lashes on. These are the Ardell 600s, and I think these are really fun looking. So we're going to go ahead and get these on our eyes, and then move on to lips, and our look is going to be complete. Right, they are on. They look great. This is such a fun look. I love it. So I'm going to go now in with mascara. I always put my lashes on first and then go in with mascara. That's just how I do things. I'm going to get it on the upper lashes here and kind of just blend those in, and then go on with the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the Ace Beauty or Ace Beauté Be Peachy lip liner, and then the Maybelline Baddest Beige lipstick. This is the Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. It's kind of like a pinky corally. It looks more pink on camera, but it's like a pinky corally color. I love it. This is the final look, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out because I was really nervous about that burnt orange color and that mauve color. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with the mauve color because all the other colors kind of went with each other except for that like nudie mauve color, but I think that putting it along the lower lash line worked out just fine. I really think this is a cute look, and I'm very excited about the color choices that I had to work with. So now I would like you to head on over to Renee's page and check out the video that she is going to be creating with the palette that she chose. I believe she chose the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette, so that is a beautiful palette, and I can't wait to see what colors coordinated with the numbers that my number generated for her. I'm really excited to find that out. I can't wait to watch her video. So head on over there, give it a thumbs up, hit her subscribe button, leave her a nice little comment. I hope you guys enjoy her video as well. If you liked this video, give this one a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.